laking tuwa ng magulang mo at ang kamay nila iyong ilaw.
Rod!
At ang nanay at tatay mo di malaman ng gagawin, minamasdan pati pagtulog mo.
Yeah! Sige ba?
At ang gabi ang iyong nanay sa pagtimpla ng gatas mo. Sa umaga na may ayaw, tuwang-tuwa sa'yo.
Oh, yun na yan! Yeah! Thank you, Rod! So, actually, madami pa. Pero, our main purpose for today is to present to you our top 14. You know, when we were starting out, on the first month, we only had 300 entries. And medyo dinaga ako. Sabi ko, oh my shoot, 300 entries, I don't know if we can even make it to 1,000. You won't believe this, pero it's so Filipino, ang hilig natin mag-submit on the last day. So, maybe about 4 days before May 10, isang buong araw nakatanggap ng 400 entries. Isang buong araw yon. But on the last day, siguro at 12 o'clock, my daughter comes running to me and says, Pa, somebody's calling me. And she's asking how she can help my daughter. She wants to know if she can help upload the entries because it was already 12 o'clock. And of course, my daughter said, I'm sorry, I don't have anything to do with Philpop. Ganon ho katindi na until the next day, merong isang professional songwriter na nag-text sa akin, sabi, meron ko bang magagawa dito? Hindi ko na-upload yung aking kasi masyadong nagsisiksikan. Sabi ko, sorry, sarado na. So, at 12 o'clock, at 11:59 of May 10, going to May 11, we closed with almost 3,000. So you've seen the screening. It was pruned down to about 1,000. And then the next screening, it was pruned down to about 109 songs. And then they got the top 32. And on the top 32, we had an unbanked screening. There are 31 judges who listened for each song. And you notice that after each song, they could say something for or against it. This is how we did it. So that when they started to finally score, this is the top 14 that you will see today, that we will introduce to you. After today, the songs will be recorded, arranged, and interpreted by top singers and the singers that we will be choosing for the recordings. And it will be distributed by Ivory Records. One of these 14 songs will win 1 million pesos as grand prize. Wow. We want this to be the grandest, the most prestigious song festival in the country. So, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, please let me introduce to you the top 14 finalists.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Philippine Popular Music Festival's Top 14. Big Time by Trina Belamide. Megastar by Mike Villegas. Takusa by Byron Ricamara. Tayo-tayo lang by Ronaldo Sorioso.
Sama-samang akong sabayan, isang kanta pa ang natitira. Huwag na akong iwan mag-isa.
Piso by Christopher San Melesio.
Wala naman sa piso, bakit naman may mga taong nagkakagulo dahil dito ang tunay na paraiso ay wala naman sa piso. Bakit naman may mga taong nagkakagulo dahil dito?
Contravida by Soc Villanueva. Soc Villanueva is from Australia.
At hindi magpapapalo ang leading man sa kwento. Maghihintay pa rin ako ng best sa bandang dulo. Sana'y happy ending ang love story natin.
You were a star
3 a.m. by Keiko Necesario.
End of the night, a little bit tired, but then I'm feeling so alive. You got your eyes on the road, and back at night, and back again. Oh, I never wanted everything to end. Oh, I could go on like that.
Kailangan ko
Brown by James Layton.
pagkatapos ng ilang taon na tayo'y di nakita. Mahahawakan ko pa ba? Ipapahaplos mo ba kaya ang malambot mong buhok na kulay brown? Wow, 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 wow. I gave it up last time. I saw
Slow
myself
Dancing by
staring
John
at
Kennard
the
Paraon.
I never felt this much since I met you, girl. I give it up for this night. This is what dreams are made out of. You had me at hello head over heels for you. I'll give it all just to make things clear. I'm waiting for the moment when you look at me. Can't wait for our lips to collide. Inabisado pa
Dulo ng Dila by Noah Zuniga.
di ko maintindihan, ba't di ko pa masimulan?
Sumagi pa sa isip mo na naghihintay ako. Talagang nakakahilo ang pagkuha mo ng buwelo. Ano ba nasa dulo ng dila mo? Ang bawat
Bawat Hakbang by Carl Vincent Villuga.
Ako may iniwanan at kahit saan man magpunta, yung pala nandiyan ka. At ang bawat hakbang ay biglang kaya dahil naroon ka.
Minsay Isang Bansa, Gary Granada.
Nag-alay ng kanyang mga anak, hanggang ang magandang kinabukasan, tinatamasa ng lahat. Oras na para gumising ka.
Himig ng Panahon, Timothy and Angelo Alfaro.
Tingnan mo ang tanging hibig sa iyong puso, tumugtog. Ang awit na doon upang ating makilala ang kagandahang likhanya. Dalangin nito'y lahat tayo ay magsama tungo sa pag-asa.
Kesa
Kesa by Edwin Maroliano.
Lahat ng maganda. Kesa sumungit. Isipin ko na lang lahat ng masaya.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Philippine Popular Music Festival's Top 14.